Hey there! Yes, you! Do you suffer from tiny ear holes? Are you too cheap to buy custom molded earbuds? Do you have to turn up the volume to drown out the outside noise? Is your life lame? Have we got the thing for you? A custom molded earbud holder for tiny ear holes, or a SIMFTA for short. This system has been developed by the brightest scientific minds in our household. Keep up the good work, girls. All you need are cheap earbuds, mold putty from your local craft store, and one super duper razor blade. Careful there. Let's begin. Remove the product from the container. About the size of a marble is all you need. Knead the two parts together, vigorously. Divide the resulting material into two equal parts. Insert the product into your ear holes. Once the product is in, insert the earbuds. Be careful, this can pressure up your ear. Wait for 10 minutes. Gently tug on your ear to release the product. Allow to set for an additional 15 minutes. Once the molds have been cured, trim the excess putty flush with the face of the tip of the earbud. Remove any putty from inside the earbud cavity and voila! You'll have custom earbuds that not only fit great but also block out some outside noises. All for less than popcorn and soda at the movies.